So we've got it all back together. That's the old one, the old stalk. So that's that done. Number the keys. Oh, just put it there for a second. So it's all working. Yep, indicators, dips, yep, washers, window wipers, all, yeah, so it's all working. I'm really pleased with it. So that's that bit done. Side quarters done. So really all that's left on this little car is the roof, but which I'm going to have a quick look at now. So I'm just going to splice the wiring back on that, and then other than that, really it's just to clean up on the outside basically. Other than that, just yeah, just runs a treat. Not that bad under the bonnet really. Just wants a little, you know, don't need a lot doing to it at all really. She's coming on actually. Oh, I mean, when I first bought the car, I ain't gonna lie to you, I was a bit gutted. I thought I'd really come unstuck with it. But oh, sorry, got a sort of light up. But at least I know how to fix them now. So yeah, it's all right. Oh, what was that? It right? It's not come out all the way. I don't have the bars or anything for the dent removal. I am going to buy them, but I mean that was quite bad, that dent, and I've managed to get it down to that. I don't know if you can see it. I have put a little bit of touch up in there, but it's still there. But if you remember, it's quite bad. So, but because it's got a gouge in it there, I needed to get behind with the bars, and I haven't got the bars. So anyway, that, I mean, initially that dent was around about that big. So yeah, I mean, it's a small little dent now, isn't it? We can live with that. So yeah, we're getting there slowly, and hopefully we can get a quick flip on this little car as well. Right guys, so good news is I have, just quickly show you, sold full fusion. Young lad turned up, or youngish, wanted a little car for his wife, took it for a drive, come back, never argued, never messed me around, boom, bought the car straight away. Brilliant, lovely customer, and to be honest, he bought a pucker little car. You know, it was on a budget, but you would, honestly, you wouldn't have found better. It was a brilliant little car, that Fusion. So anyway, right, where are we? What did I do with that then? Oh, that's gone. Anyway, right, so I've just put some engine flush in. We're going to give it an engine flush and a service today, this C3, and I'm going to change the drop link on this side. That's that done. The roof is opening and closing, but it's only opening to about here, which is about there, and then it's jamming. What I've noticed is it's lifted on this side. Now there is a clip just here, and a bit of it's broke. So what I might have to do is try and get hold of some roof clips. I don't know, but I think I could sort it out. But I have noticed it just is not closing quite right this side. So I'm going to have a look at that. But it's not leaking. Everything's all right. So yeah, I'll enjoy that. And then obviously I've still got to sort this back light out. But other than that, I am quite pleased with this car. Bearing in mind again, like I've said before, it's one previous, and it has only done 56,000 miles. So all in all, I think it's a good little car. Well, I actually don't think it, I know it. So and in some of the other, you might have seen in the previous video, I had two cars, and once I give them a check over, I weren't happy with them, and to be honest with you, I could have bodged them and got rid of them, but do you know what, I ended up losing £1,000 out of them. I'd rather do that rather than yeah, I'm not doing this to stitch people up, otherwise I ain't gonna bother. So anyway, we'll get this drop link done, and so the roof, it doesn't, like, the roof's not affecting anything, so I'm going to give it a drop link, wash down, although it is pretty miserable today, and then I'm going to try and get it booked in for an MOT.